Alright, so now we're in here inside running that Lee Bear right there. There's my control. Running that Lee Bear, that white track hoe. There's a dump truck over there on top of that little bridge. I'm loading him with it. Alright, so now we're out here at the tractor pull track. We watching them. They pulling too. They're pulling like some, I think it's like 10,000 pound on that side. That's like a John Deere 4020 there. And then they pulling lightweight, like they got tricycle front end tractors on this track closest to me. But I'd like to thank one person for making this trip possible. That'd be Mr. Keith Sanders, if y'all know him. He's a real nice guy. I wouldn't have never knew that this event existed if it wasn't for him. So I'd like to say a special thank you to him.